Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's video, we're going to continue from our last video to talk about 10 commonly used Chinese phrases and give you some examples as well as train your listening skills. So what we are going to do today is I will give you 10 phrases of Mandarin Chinese and I will give you example sentences for the Mandarin phrases, and you are going to listen to my sentences and see how much you understand to improve your listening skills. Also, if you want to download the PDF worksheet of this lesson and audio file, you can click the link in the description and join my free podcast lesson. This lesson's audio and PDF lesson note will be collected into the free lesson. The link is down below. The number one phrase of today's lesson is Manzo. Manzo. It literally means slow walk. This is the phrase when you want to say goodbye to people at the door. You can say 慢走,再见. 慢走,再见. Goodbye, walk slowly. 慢走,再见. Or another example, 慢走,我们下次见. 慢走,我们下次见. What do I say? Here's the listening time. 慢走,我们下次见. So, here the keyword is 下次见. See you next time. So goodbye, see you next time. 慢走,我们下次见. Or next example, 慢走,到家记得给我打电话. 慢走,到家记得给我打电话. Alright, I know this one is hard. 慢走, goodbye. 到家记得给我打电话. The keyword here is 家,我, and 打电话. So if you can catch those keywords, you know that when you arrive home, you give me a call. 慢走,到家记得给我打电话. The next phrase is 慢慢来,慢慢来. It literally means slow, slow, come, but it means take your time. 慢慢来. For example, 没关系，慢慢来，我们不赶时间。没关系，慢慢来，我们不赶时间。Do you understand what that means? 没关系，慢慢来，我们不赶时间。Okay, so actually in the sentence, all you have to understand is the phrase 慢慢来, take your time. But the full sentence means it's okay, take your time, we're not in a rush. 没关系，慢慢来。我们 we're not 我们不赶时间。赶时间 literally means that to rush the time. So we're not in a rush. 我们不赶时间。我们不赶时间。没关系，慢慢来。我们不赶时间。The next phrase is very similar to 不赶时间 is 不急。不急 so literally means no rush. 不急 For example, you could say 我不急 I'm no rush. 我不急 which means 我不赶时间。我不赶时间 I'm not in a rush. Let me give you some other examples with 不急 no rush. For example, 你很急要这个吗？不急，慢慢来。Again, 你很急要这个吗？不急，慢慢来。So the first sentence, you have to understand the keyword is 很急 and 要这个. So the question is, 你很急要这个吗？很急 like very in a rush. Are you in a rush to want this, to get this? 你很急要这个吗？ Or maybe you are doing a project and the other person is waiting for your complete project. And you say, 你很急要这个吗？ Are you in a rush to get this? You can say, 不急，慢慢来。Not in a rush, take your time. Another example, 不急，慢慢来，我在这里喝咖啡等你。不急，慢慢来，我在这里喝咖啡等你。不急，慢慢来 or 你慢慢来 take your time. 我在这里喝咖啡等你。So in this sentence, the key word you have to know is 这里 here and 等你 to wait for you. 不急，慢慢来，我在这里喝咖啡等你。 So I'm not in a rush, take your time. I'm just here and take my coffee to wait for you. The next phrase is 还有吗?还有吗? Literally means still have, yes or no. So that means anything else. 还有吗?还有吗? So if I speak faster, you will hear 还有还有吗? 还有吗? Anything else. For example, 明天记得买卫生纸和面包。好，还有吗 ？Again, 明天记得买卫生纸和面包。好，还有吗 ？So, 卫生纸、面包 the two things that the person says they need to buy. 卫生纸 tissue paper and 面包 bread. 明天记得 remember to buy bread and tissue paper. 明天记得买卫生纸和面包。And the next person say 好。好 to answer a question means okay, got it. 好，还有吗 Okay, anything else? 好，还有吗 Another example, 我想点一份牛肉面和臭豆腐。好的，还有吗 Again, 我想点一份牛肉面和臭豆腐。好的，还有吗 So here, the key word you have to listen to is 点 to order. Even you don't understand the name of the dishes, that's okay. 我想点 to order 一份牛肉面 beef noodles 和臭豆腐 sticky tofu. And the waitress or waiter says 好的，还有吗 Okay, anything else? So here, the waitress could also say 好 or 好的 Okay, so adding the means more polite. 好的，还有吗 The next phrase is 怎么了？怎么了 This means what's wrong. For example, 怎么了？你今天看起来怪怪的。怎么了？你今天看起来怪怪的。What does that mean? Okay, so 怎么了 What's wrong? 你今天看起来 So here's another good phrase you can learn is 看起来 look like. So you looked 怪怪的。怪怪的 is also a very commonly used expression to talk about something's weird. Something 怪怪的 means something's weird. So you look weird today. 你今天看起来怪怪的。Again, 怎么了？你今天看起来怪怪的。Another example, 怎么了？你今天看起来那么累。怎么了？你今天看起来那么累。So do you know what that means? 怎么了？你今天看起来那么累。怎么了 ？What's wrong? 你今天看起来 You look 那么累 So tired. You look so tired today. What's wrong? 怎么了？你今天看起来那么累。The next phrase is 干杯。干杯 That means cheers, but it actually means buttons up. This is very useful when you're drinking beer with people and then you raise your glass and you say 干杯 cheers. Okay, 干杯. The next one is also very useful and also I talk about a lot in this channel, which is 真的假的 Seriously? Real or fake? 真的 is real, 假的 is fake. So 真的假的 When you hear some news that you cannot believe it, you could say Seriously? 真的假的 So when we speak faster, we would say 真的假的真的假的真的假的 Okay, for example, 我听说你不喜欢他真的假的 Again, 我听说你不喜欢他真的假的 So you understand the last part 真的假的 Seriously? And the first part, 我听说你不喜欢他 So the key word of the sentence is 你不喜欢他 You don't like him. 我听说 I heard that you don't like him. So here's another phrase that you can learn is 我听说 So if you start a sentence with 我听说 it means that I heard so and so. So 我听说你不喜欢他真的假的 I heard that you don't like him. For real? Seriously? Next example. 我听说经理被裁员了，真的假的？我听说经理被裁员了，真的假的 So here we have a slightly high level word which is 被裁员, to be laid off. 被裁员 and 经理 manager. So if you know these two keywords, you know what it means. 我听说 I heard 经理 the manager 被裁员了 got laid off. 我听说经理被裁员了，真的假的 Seriously? The next one is 待会见，待会见 or you could say 等会见，等会见 or 等一下见，等一下见 Those three means the same, meaning see you later. But here is different from the see you later in English. In Mandarin, if you say 待会见 or 等会见 or 等一下见, it means that you know you will see this person maybe later today. So you're sure that you will see this person again later today. Alright? For example, 我先出去吃饭，待会见。What does that mean? 我先出去吃饭，待会见。The key word for first part of the sentence is 出去 and 吃饭. Go out to eat. So I go out to eat. See you later. 先 here means in advance or first. So it means that let me just go out and get some food to eat first and I'll see you later. 我先出去吃饭，待会见。我先出去吃饭，待会见。Next, 我先去忙，等会见。我先去忙，等会见。What does that mean? First part of the sentence, 我先去忙。去忙 literally means to go busy. So 我先去忙 here means that I will leave to do or to busy with something and I'll come back later. The next phrase is 我也是. So am I, so do I, me too. 我也是. So literally means I also am, I am too. For example, 你是老师吗？我也是. What does that mean? 你是老师吗？我也是. So here the first part is 你是老师吗？ You're a teacher. So 吗 is a yes or no question to confirm that your information. So you're a teacher? Oh, so am I. 你是老师吗？我也是. Another example. 你住在台湾？我也是。你住在台湾？我也是. What does that mean? So here the keywords is 住 and Taiwan, to live Taiwan. So this sentence means you live in Taiwan, so do I, me too. 你住在台湾？我也是. So the phrase 我也是. I know it's a long video. If you made it here, let me know in the comment and say I made it here. And let me know that you have made it this far. The last one is 好久不见. Long time no see. 好久不见. Example, 好久不见，最近怎么样？好久不见，最近怎么样？ What does that mean? Long time no see. How have you been? 最近 is a keyword. Recently. 怎么样 How's something something. So how are you recently? 最近怎么样？好久不见，最近怎么样？ The next example. 好久不见，我好想你呀。好久不见，我好想你呀。What does that mean? 好久不见，我好想你呀。So here, the key word is 想你 to miss you. 我好想你呀 I miss you so much. Long time no see. I miss you so much. 好久不见，我好想你呀。Alright, congratulations! You just finished the lesson. To download the lesson note of this video, also to download the audio file of this lesson, click the link down below and join my free podcast lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. 再见!